Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video. Question number 21. How does a zigzag looks like in a downtrend? The answer is, it's a 3 fast wave in the opposite direction. Zigzag is a 3 waves, A, B, C. A equal 5 waves, B equal 3 waves, and C equal 5 waves. Quote number 15. Jess Livermore said, "The desire for constant action irrespective of underlying conditions is responsible for many losses in Wall Street, even among the professionals, who feel that they must take home some money every day, as though they were working for regular wages." This is the perfect trading code for someone who forgets that trading is not like a regular 9 to 5 job. You won't make money every day, and if you are successful, you won't need to. Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.